The Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2021 is being conferred on Geeta Press, Gorakhpur. Gandhi Peace Prize is an annual award instituted by Government of India in 1995 on the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi as a tribute to the ideals espoused by Mahatma Gandhi. The award is open to all persons regardless of nationality, race, language, caste, creed or gender. The award carries an amount of rupees 1 crore, a citation, a plaque and an exquisite traditional handicraft handloom item. Established in 1923, Geeta Press is one of the world's largest publishers, having published 41.7 crore books in 14 languages including 16.21 crore Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The institution has never relied on advertisements in its publications for revenue generation. Geeta Press, along with its affiliated organizations, strives for the betterment of life and the well-being of all. Geeta Press was registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. It is said that Geeta Press has so far published more than 41 and a half dozen books, in which apart from Hindi, other languages including Dev Bhasha Sanskrit, Marathi, Gujarati, Odia, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Bangla, Assamese, Nepali, English are included. So far about 16 and a half dozen books of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, more than 11 and a half dozen books of Saint Tulsidas and more than 2 and a half dozen books of Purans and Upanishads have been published. A popular monthly magazine, Kalyan with Knowledge Spirituality, also comes out from this press, which people like very much. The most important thing about Geeta Press Gorakhpur is that this organization neither takes advertisements nor asks for donations. Despite this, the press makes the book available at a very economical rate. The past awardees include organizations such as ISRO, Ramakrishna Mission, Grameen Bank of Bangladesh, Vivekanand Kendra Kanyakumari, Akshay Patra Bengaluru, Ekal Abhiyan Trust India and Shulb International New Delhi. It has also been awarded to luminaries like late Dr. Nelson Mandela, former President of South Africa, Dr. Julius Nyerere, former President of Tanzania, Dr. A.T. Aryaratne, founder President of Sarvodaya Sharma Dana Movement, Sri Lanka, Dr. Gerhard Fischer, Federal Republic of Germany, Baba Amte, Dr. John Hume, Ireland, Mr. Václav Havel, former President of Czechoslovakia, Archbishop Desmond Tutu of South Africa, Sri Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Sri Yoi Sasakawa, Japan. Recent awardees include Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said Oman 2019 and Banga Bandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman 2020 Bangladesh. The jury headed by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi after due deliberations on 18 June 2023 unanimously decided to select Geeta Press Gorakhpur as the recipient of the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2021 in recognition of its outstanding contribution towards social, economic and political transformation through non-violent and other Gandhian methods. Recalling the contribution of Geeta Press in promoting Gandhian ideals of peace and social harmony, Prime Minister Modi said that the award of Gandhi Peace Prize to Geeta Press on completion of 100 years of its establishment is in recognition of the work done by the institution in community service have to appreciate.